What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. Today we are testing out some products that I've had in my collection for a really long time that I really wanted to use. So if you are interested to see what products I used on my face, stick around. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put some primer and some foundation on. So some of this stuff's new, some of it I have tried before. This is something I've tried before, I've talked about it before, and I haven't used it in so long. So if you guys are interested in my eye look for today's video, I will try and link it up here somewhere. If I ever say I'm going to do something like that in a video and then you see I don't do it, please, that was weird. I totally just dropped this primer on the ground. So this is a dry formula, so just like that, I'm just gonna do that and that. This just really does what it says. It's going to fill my pores in and it's going to give me a nice canvas for my foundation. So I'm just gonna massage that in there. Foundation, I'm going to use something I have talked about lots on my channel lately. I have been using this. This is my summer foundation. This is my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. And what I'm going to do is I am going to use a sponge today. So I'm just going to take a little bit on my Shop Miss A AOA Studio sponge and I'm going to tap that in all over my face. So much. And I like the shape of this one too because it's really easy to get under your eyes. Just take a little bit, do the same thing on the other side. This does have full coverage. It can be buildable. It says it's a medium coverage, which is one of the reasons I like it. And I want to make sure that everything matches. Downside to a sponge over a brush is you are using a little bit more product. However, when it's hot out like it has been, I really want my foundation to look natural, and it is really hard sometimes when it is super hot out. So when it's in the summertime, I really do reach for a sponge so much more. Right. So that's that. I am not going to add any more. I'm going to go in with my AOA Studio. This is my Soft Light Setting Powder. I'm going to use this fun brush. This is my favorite brush ever for powder. It is a Morphe brush. It's just gets right in there and is so good for setting your under eyes. So that lightly, woo, too much, Amanda. Let's just fix that. And I like to just take it and dab it all over. Make sure everything's nice and set. I keep looking in the mirror, and if you guys have noticed, my eyes are all shimmer shades today. So please do go check out that other video because it is definitely out before this one. It's like freaking me. I keep looking in the mirror and I'm like, oh, that's shinier than I expected. But I'm digging it. I really am. So we are set and we are ready to rock and roll. This next one is not a new product. Actually, it is. I've only used this once before. My new Wet n Wild bronzer. So this is the Color Icon bronzer in the shade Sunrise Sunset Striptease. So that's it right there. It's just a really nice bronzer. I've used it once before. I used it for a live Get Ready With Me. I will try and link that somewhere. We will see if I remember. So I'm just going in with my Precision Beauty. This is my favorite bronzing brush. And the high points. That would be highlighting. I do like this bronzer. It's no butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, but it was affordable. It was like $6, maybe $5. Maybe I don't remember because I don't pay attention to anything. I know I'm doing a no buy or a low buy, but for the purpose of this, I needed a new bronzer. It had to happen. All right. Brush done, bronzing done. Really not going in too much for that. I do have a new blush though and a new highlight that I really want to try because these have been sitting in my collection for so freaking long and I haven't used them. This is my Pop Sugar blush. I got this in an Ipsy in July or June. I'm just going in with my Shop Miss A. This is like a peach blush. It might be way too light for me right now because of the time of the year. Actually, no, I kind of like that. It's just giving a nice soft hint of color, not too much. Now, I will say one thing about this. This feels soft. It feels creamy. Sorry. It's light, but it feels nice. I have a bronzer from this brand and it is rough, man, like rough. It feels rough. I don't like it. So that I had to put, it was like one of those products that I've donated since, or I will be donating. So I love this one by the feel of it. Like I could tell when I swatched it. So I'm really interested to see how it wears throughout my day. Now, the next product is also from the same brand. So this is also by Pop Sugar, but this is a highlight and I'm so excited to try this. I have swatched it. It looks gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at that. Like seriously, come on now. Let's just, yeah, that's going on my face. Like right now. We're going to put this on and we're going to see. Are we going to have like one of those Instagram moments where I'm like, ooh, oh, look at my face. Probably. I haven't sat down and done a video like this in so long, and I've got to tell you, I'm really, really excited, and holy smokes, that is gorgeous. Wow, that is super shiny. That is way too much. Wow. Oh my gosh. But, so this is definitely not a summertime blush no highlight for me, but it is definitely one that I would probably reach for more in the winter. I'm also going to take a brush that I never use. This is my Morphe. This is a little teeny tiny fan brush. And I'm going to take that and I'm just going to highlight under my brow bone. Because I don't think I've ever used this brush before. So you know what? First impressions. Let's go for it, guys. Precise highlight brush, I guess. That is nice though. Like it's a really nice, it's really kind of accentuating my brow bones, which is nice. No complaints. So this is gorgeous. I hope that I do keep using this. It probably will not be one I reach for a lot in the summer because as you can tell, my complexion's a little darker because I forget to wear my sunscreen because I'm terrible. I will admit that, I'm terrible. So with all of that on my face, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to do my mascara and my lashes and then I will be right back for lips. And for lips, I am going to just line my lips quickly using my Essence lip liner. This is my Satin Mauve. This is in shade 6. If you are looking for an affordable lip liner, I highly recommend checking out this brand. They are this is like $2.99 Canadian. Product that I am using is a lipstick. I got this in an Ipsy. This is the Real Her Sorry Not Sorry lipstick in Pink Rose. I have been waiting to try this. Like, look at this. Just beautiful. I've swatched it on my hand once when I first got it, and I have not put this on my lips. And we are going to do that right now. I can tell you that felt so creamy, like so nice. So that's it. I'm really like, this is like so smooth and so nice. I really, really like this. I am loving the highlight so far. So I will be right back for our quick recap. All right, and we are back. So let's just say I am pretty excited about this makeup. I will leave a comment down below if there are any issues with it. I'm loving the highlight. The blush is working. It's so much more pigmented than I expected. So I'm really, really excited about that. And let me tell you, this lipstick, maybe not a color that I would go for all the time, but as far as like smooth and creamy and it feels really nice on my lips, I feel like I'm honestly not wearing lipstick right now. So that is exactly what I want. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and that you are subscribed to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.